Alright, we're starting to cultivate the potatoes. We'll go ahead and go all the way down to the end like that, and that'll make like a little bed so we can finish the row out if we want to plant something else down there. To the right of him is where we're going to be putting our sweet potatoes in at. Yeah, we do a variety of stuff. We don't sell too many vegetables anymore. Most of it's just for our personal use for the homestead. These are some onions. But potatoes look good. Coming right along. Especially that row right there. Probably two different types. I didn't help them plant them this year, so I really don't know which one's which. Normally we do some little red potatoes and some white ones. The red ones usually do better. You get a lot more of them. Yeah, the farm all, it runs good. I had put electronic ignition in both of ours. I think I did one last year and one the year before that. Then I went and did my uncle's. Yeah, these are looking good. What little bit of grass you see there will probably die because it cut the roots off. These are tomatoes.